Hey guys, Teresa Barber with Sippy Couture. It's here. It's here. Oh my goodness. This is from Judith. Look how cute her little packing paper is, by the way. Her little tape. Okay. It is here. I know what this is. So, God, I'm so excited. The other week, I don't know, Tumbler Awards. They had the Tumbler Awards, and I won an award, and this is it. Unless it's empty and she is messing with me, which could be possible. I'm not even gonna lie, guys. I've been waiting for a message from her to be like, hey, I read the wrong name, my bad. So, I didn't get that message, but I got a box, so I'm thinking she read the right name. Oh my goodness. I can't put into words what this means. I've really stepped it up in the past year, and I want to help. I want to give back. I've been doing Tumblers forever. There's so many little hacks and tips and tricks that I know, and I want to help people. And to get this award, man, it's cool. To get this award is pretty cool. Congratulations, Sippy Couture. First annual Tumbler Award, Rookie of the Year. That's cool. That's cool. Ha, that's cool. Man, I've tried. I've never worked this hard in my life. I've never cared this hard in my life. And it's so much whenever someone reaches out to me and they're like, oh my goodness, you helped me, or whatever you did is, I don't know, I like that. People are like, I like that design. That color you used is pretty. And it's like, oh my gosh, me? You like that? So, to get this is the most amazing thing I've ever accomplished in my life. I don't care. I love you boys. I love you my kids. I love you my husband. This is it. This is it. I am so thankful. The people I was up against, oh my goodness. I should have had that ready. I should have had those names. Judith, how do I work this? Does this need batteries? Did you send me a thing without batteries? Hold. Oh no. What happened? Maybe I can plug it in. Need to learn. Okay, I couldn't have figured this out because it goes like this. I don't even have the right charger here. This is the right charger. Oh my goodness. This means the world. This is cool. This means the world to me. I don't know. I'm running out of time. Thank you for everybody that supports me, that's voted for me, that the people that was in my same category. Y'all are amazing. I look up to you so much, and to get this is everything. So thank you for putting this together. Thank you for all the time. I love you guys so much. This is cool. This is really cool. This is it. Bye, guys.